At the end of 40 days, Noah opened the window he had made in the ark. He sent out a raven, and it kept flying back and forth until the waters had dried up on the earth. Then Noah sent out a dove to see if the waters had receded. But the dove could not find a resting place, so it returned to him. He waited 7 more days and then sent the dove out again from the ark. When the dove returned, there was a freshly plucked olive leaf in its beak. Noah knew that the waters had receded. He waited another 7 days and sent the dove out again. But this time, it did not return, to be continued.